This remote controller come with us because the customer told us that the problem of this remote controller was that the remote controller cannot charge. Actually, we changed the core board model. We already changed it. This is the damaged one. So we're gonna connect the remote controller to our original charger. There is connected, and as we see, now it's charging. So if we turn on the remote controller, there is charging. There is no battery or external battery inside. And as we see here, there it is. We need to adjust here, but as we see, the remote controller now is charging. So this remote controller is already fixed.